Now it's time to do one of my favourite things of the tour. There's one shop I totally love and I'm about to go into it, and it's called the Daniel, and that's in Windsor. Let's go. Daniel! Let's go. Loving the window. Let's move round. Different baubles. Range of baubles. More crackers round here. Bendigon crackers. Question for you, what was the most that you've ever paid for a cracker? And what was the best thing you've ever found in a cracker? Cards. A range of different Christmas cards. He's ready for Santa, waiting outside. Got all different gift bags there, all different ranges and sizes. Do you get stuck what to buy your other half for Christmas? Now that's the question. Loving that snow globe. Okay then, so now we've got a cheese stall. Looks absolutely great. This one's called Mouse House. Wow. So we've got Just Jane. We've got a chili cheddar, a cranberry cheddar. Wow, that sounds great. And mustard. Wow. Absolutely fantastic. And the cheeses are £7 each. Mix and match. 4 for 24, 7 for 40. Can't say fairer than that. Wow. And here's one of the trains around here. It looks so immense. Looks so colourful. The lights are looking really nice. And yeah. One of the stores that's out for here for like Christmas. They're looking all good. No? And another Christmas window with gingerbreads, men's and all sorts. Looking good. And look at the effort made here, guys. Looking absolutely really good. Got all sorts. Plant pots. You've even got Christmas trees. All sorts. Wow. You got little dogs there. Oh wow, all dressed up for Christmas. We now have a London bus. How cool is that looking? Cool. Hop on in. We've even got gin here, Magna Carta gin. I've heard of this one before, but it's looking good. Oh.
Good morning, guys. Hello, young lady.
Hello.
Merry Christmas to you.
Shall I come down? We have a photo.